we doing here today, guys?
So, Raghav wanted to do some bonding, so I've decided to take everybody climbing. That one's yours.
How old is this?
That was second-hand in 1994, so pretty new.
And so it begins.
Hi.
What could possibly go wrong with filming at a location like this?
You're not gonna kill me, are you?
Only if you tell the backers we're fired up, Raghav.
Off you go. How the hell do I get back up there?
You promised never to tell them we're fired up.
I do.
Never again?
Never again.
Definitely a unique shoot. They're paying me to do this?
Hi, I'm Raghav.
And I'm Tom.
If you like cast iron cookware, you've probably heard of us by now. But if you haven't, let me explain how we got here. Tom's a mountaineer and scientist.
When you're mountaineering, it takes a very long time to boil water, so I came up with a new idea for a pan. By adding fins to the pan wall, it makes it more efficient, so the water boils faster.
FIREUP is the company behind the first real innovation in cast iron cookware for nearly a century. We first launched the FIREUP Dutch oven, then built our patented technology into the 10-inch skillet. And now we are back, having developed a technology into yet another kitchen essential, the FIREUP Sauce Pan. This is a real kitchen essential. Use this saucepan to make the perfect sauce, a warming soup, or a fragrant coriander rice.
Or steadily melt chocolate, cheese, or butter. It does so much more than just boiling and simmering.
You can bake a dessert or a loaf of bread. It even makes one impressive fondue pot. It's naturally non-stick and is designed to last a lifetime.
It's compatible with induction, gas, ceramic, and goes in your oven. We wanted to get every detail just right. So we spent months perfecting the shape, the weight, and even the design of the handles. The saucepan is coated with high-quality, chip-resistant enamel that does not require seasoning.
Whether you're simmering a punchy sauce or a delicate cream, our fin design heats ingredients evenly.
You done yet?
Not quite.
Just getting quite long.
With 30 perfectly designed fins
That significantly increase the heat flow into the pan wall, faster and more even cooking produces consistently tastier results. Because it works faster, it uses less energy, and it will last a lifetime, so you can buy once and buy well.
help us get the saucepan from the factory into your kitchens.
Okay, Raghav, you must be done now.
Just one more thing. We're fired up. Are you? Do I look okay?
Is he serious?
And I'm scared. Might as well ask. I'm really scared. Fuck. Dude, I'm walking away. It's okay. Forget FIREUP. I just want my life.
Head over to the Kickstarter campaign through the link in the description and support this innovative project.